Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I'm back after a very long time, but I'm here and this video is going to be a second part of the collaboration video. If you don't know, I did a video about collaborations earlier. I'm going to be mentioning here or here somewhere on the screen the part 1 of the video. I would recommend you to watch that one first and then come back later for this one. But if you've watched it already, please continue watching this. I'm going to be answering a lot of questions related to collaborations, blogging, and how do we approach brands. So this is going to be a very helpful video, so make sure you watch it till the end. I'm also going to be adding timestamps so that it could be helpful for all of you guys, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start by telling you guys how you can start blogging. I started blogging on Instagram because Instagram had the carousel feature at that time. I started back in 2018, and you could upload multiple pictures and write the blog in the caption. But if you think the word limit is less for you, you can go and have a website of your own, www.xyz, whatever your blog's name is .com. But I think that domain is going to cost you money. So if you want a free domain, you can go to wordpress.com or go to blogspot.com and make your own blog. That is an easy way, but Instagram served my purpose, so I started on Instagram. The second question that I get a lot is, how do we collaborate? How do we get in touch with brands? How do we get in the collaboration groups that you talk about? So I used to be in a collaboration group. I'm not in that group anymore, so I cannot get you in, but I can tell you that you can sign up on influencer marketing platforms. Now if you ask me what influencer marketing platforms really are, in the simplest way I can explain to you, these are platforms that brands contact to connect with the influencers. Imagine if Lay's wants to work with influencers. Lay's will go to this XYZ company and ask them to send the list of the bloggers who could be eligible for the campaign, who could be perfect for it, and this company is going to contact the influencers and get both the parties in touch. That is how the influencer marketing platforms work. Now if you really want to get in touch and sign up with these platforms, you need to search on Google. You can go and type influencer marketing platforms in India or wherever you're living, and you can sign up with these platforms. So please keep watching till the end, because I'm going to be telling you a few websites and apps where you can get collaborations. The third one, wait a second please. Yeah. So I'm back. The third question that I get a lot is, should we contact the brands directly? So the answer is yes and no. Now it depends on your follower size. Imagine if you're a micro influencer, I would not suggest you to go to Nykaa or go to a big brand like Vermoda only, or any other brand like Forever 21, any big brand, and go and directly approach them for collaborations, because they're not going to consider it. They have more followers, they have more exposure than you have, so they're not going to consider your collaboration. Also, you're going to, even if they do consider it, you're going to be exploited. Do you understand that? Because they can see your desperation. You're a small micro blogger just setting your foot out there, and they're big huge brands who already have a lot of customers, a lot of consumers of their product. They don't need that. But if you're somebody with 20k followers, 25k followers, or 15k followers, go approach Nykaa for all you want. You can go and talk to them, and they might seriously consider you, because you can bring them to the table the kind of audience they need and they don't have already. So you can, if you're a big blogger, if you have a big following, you can go and approach any brand you want. But if you're a micro blogger, please avoid contacting some bigger brands, because they're going to exploit you, as they can see your desperation. That is all I would want to say. You're smart enough to understand the brands you should approach and the brands you should not approach. Now the next question I would like to answer is, how to actually approach brands for collaborations. Now to answer this question, please try to be as professional as you want. Please don't show your desperation in your mail. Please mail them, and I would like to attach here or here somewhere on the screen a default mail that I wrote for a friend, actually for somebody I was helping out. So I'm going to be attaching it here or here. You can take a screenshot and you can write something similar to it and use it in your mails. Just make sure that you mention all your contact details, you mention the right numbers. Please double check it, because it does not give a good impression if your phone number is wrong or your email is wrong and the brand cannot connect with you. So I'm going to be mentioning a default mail here or here somewhere, and I hope it is useful to you. So the next question is, how do you ask brands for money? So basically, sometimes brands do directly contact the influencers. Now how that is going to look like is they're gonna mail you something like, hi, we're really interested in working with you, and this is our product. And if it is a barter collaboration or something like that, it's going to be like, you can order it from this link and then we're going to reimburse your amount and blah blah blah. You can go and do that. But if you really want to charge money, you can reply to them with, hey, I'm really interested, thank you for the offer, but I would like to know the budget you have for the same collaboration. If they can really offer you money, and if they're planning to have a paid collaboration, they're going to reply with the budget they have. I would suggest, this is a pro tip, that you guys don't ask for the money. Like, don't ask that I need $1,000 for the particular collaboration. Don't say it. Reply with, okay, how much is your budget? There's a reason for this, because if you reply with I need $1,000 and they agree to it, maybe they had a higher budget, maybe they could offer you $2,000, but you didn't ask for it. So the better option is that you do not ask for it. Let them state the price, so you can, negotiate with them. Be smart, play smart over here. Now the next question, and a very popular one, is how do I know how much to charge? So there is this website, influencermarketinghub.com. I believe that is the one. You can go there and you can check your Instagram, like enter the Instagram username, and there is going to be the worth of a single post. How much should you charge? I would suggest that the minimum that's going to be shown on that page, you go and ask for that, and then slightly increase your charges by every other collaboration that you do. So that is how you can do it. Now I'm going to be talking about, I have a list over here, just let me look into it. So there are certain apps that you can go to, download from App Store or Play Store, and sign up for collaborations on over there. You can download Do Your Thing, that is DOYOUR, and the thing is not THING, it's THNG. Do Your Thing. You can go and download that. You can go download OPA reviews. You can go and download Confluence, that is also an app. Then there comes a website. You can go to www.buddinginfluencers.com, go and sign up there. They mail you with collaborations. It's a wonderful website. I've done a lot of collaborations with them. The other app would be Winkle, which is WINKL. Go search it on the App Store. I'm going to either mention it somewhere here or here. I'm gonna put a list, something you can just take a screenshot and move on. Now I'm going to be talking about 3 brands that are actually small businesses which would actually work with influencers. So you can go and contact them on Instagram or mail them. The first brand is going to be Bella Vita Organics. I'm going to mention it somewhere on the screen. The other one is going to be Blue Nectar, and the third one is going to be Oh That Natural. These are the brands that are currently looking for influencers and would be grateful if you go and work with them, I think. So yeah guys, that is all I have for this video. I really hope it was helpful, and I really hope that some of your queries did get resolved here. I am very quick and very active on Instagram, so if you have any other queries, you can either DM me over there or you can comment them down below. I will make sure to reply. Please watch the part 1 if you haven't already, and yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you have a great day again. Bye.